Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. If you got one of these ESI wireless remote controls and it's lost its pairing, I'm going to be sharing with you in this film how we're going to repair it. Now if you got this antenna sign with a circle going through it and a line going through it, that means it's lost the signal to connect with the receiver. So we're going to repair this today. I need to remember this for the next time as well. So what we're going to do is make sure both of them are off. And once they're off, hold the MI button till the manual one is flashing. Hopefully it will start flashing. Yes. Right. So now we got that flashing now, yeah. Now we need to go to roomstat. We need to put that in the off position. So off position, yeah. And once that's in the off position, so what we need to do is press down A, H and the plus button together till till that stops flashing, okay? And that stopped flashing now, yeah. Now what do we do now? Put it down. When it stops flashing, it's paired with it now, yeah. So let's put this on the on position, yeah. And now let's go to manual on this. Now let's test it out now. It's in the manual. I'm going to put the temperature down and see if the receiver is picking it up. Okay, that's it. That's gone off. So it's all working fine now. Guys, if you got a broken down boiler, we repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Biasi, Worcester, Bosch, Vaillant and many more. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Right guys, that's all sorted now. I'm going to be using this film as a reference for myself as well in the future. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. So guys, I've just paired that now, yeah, to the receiver. Now guys, if your boiler is broken down in Birmingham, South Birmingham, give me a call. Birmingham Boiler Fix. So that's sorted now, yeah? Full sorted now. The boiler is fine.